Hi friends, today we are taking a look at the Nude Mood eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. In this video, I will be giving you a quick review with swatches and then an easy tutorial using this palette, which turned out so gorgeous. I absolutely love this look. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. Nude Mood is a 9-pan palette filled with warm tone neutrals. Check out these amazing swatches. These neutrals are right up my alley. There is a variety of finishes in this palette, even a super shock shadow. So we have 4 mattes, 2 metallics, 2 mattes with sparkles in it, and 1 super shock shadow. The formula is really great, and I honestly fell in love with this palette as soon as I saw it on their Instagram. I thought this would be perfect for every day and an option for my wedding day. It really has wedding vibes in my opinion, probably because of the packaging is really beautiful. This is one of my top palette picks from Colourpop. If you want to see a ranking video of all my Colourpop palettes, please let me know and I can do that. But overall, I love this palette. Now moving on to the special look using this palette, I wanted to create something fun and different while still being neutral and wearable. With this first shade, I am focusing this on my crease area and above the crease area. I've kind of kept these clips in real time so you can see how long it takes me to blend and where I'm blending, and how many times I dip back into the pan. I'm getting a lot of pigment on this color and really buffing it into the crease and upwards, and flaring it out towards the end of my eyebrow. I'm also bringing that shadow really in the inner corner of my eye as well, and I spend a lot of time blending it out to get rid of any harsh lines.
Every time you call me by my name, I get butterflies up in my face, butterflies in my face, down your body on my trace.
Using that same shadow, I'm going to go into the bottom lash line and buff that out. Then going into a more caramelly color, I'm going to buff this out on the bottom lash line as well, taking it a little bit further down than the first shade. Grabbing some concealer, I'm going to do a full-on cut crease just to make it a bit tidy. You don't have to do this, but I just think it makes it look a bit fancier. And I'm going to set that down with this really light beige shade using patting motions. And this is how it is looking. I think it's so cool. Grabbing the Super Shock shadow, I'm using this on my brow bone and also on the inner corner. So I put some quick eyeliner on, and I also put the Super Shock on my cheeks.
Got a couple cracks on it. Oh well, big boy on the retina. People show and tell, something spicy in my drink.
And then I'm going in with the best part, the little crystals, and I'm putting them everywhere. This was so fun. I really want to do this more often. And I'm just placing them kind of mirrored to each other so it looks really consistent.
I feel gross, I feel messy. Oh my god, oh no. Okay, I just be frontin'. It's all a test. Oh God, I'm just tryna look my best.
I'm popping on some false lashes to help get a bit more dramatic with the look. And here is the final look. What do you guys think? I love it. I think it is so cool. I would definitely do this again. And yeah, I really want to incorporate more little crystals and diamantes into my looks in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye!
Now I picked this game. Now he don't know how to act. Now he want like he the main. Oh no boy, now you don't change. The silence was found in the app. Ooh, I got a right to feel cute, yeah. Oh girls be saying I glow, you got a right to be you, hey. Cameras I do the most now. I ain't phenomenal, and you are from a